Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn a lofting technique in 3ds Max, and you can use this for several things, but what we're gonna be using it for today is to create a leg for a table. So to start off, I'm gonna start in my top view. And we're going to start off by drawing shapes that you want to be included within your intricate leg design. So I'm going to go to shapes first, and then select line. And I have my snap on, just to make sure that whenever I'm drawing a shape with the line, the lines are straight and even. Okay, so you can just start drawing whatever shape you want. So just remember, whenever you have your, whenever you're drawing a shape with a line, with the line tool, you have to remember to close it, and then this window will pop up, and you will say yes to close spline. Okay. Then I'm also I think I'm gonna draw a circle as well. I'm gonna draw the circle to be a little smaller than the other shape I drew. Okay, so once I have that, I'm going to draw a path for these shapes to follow, and I'm gonna do that in my front view. So I'm gonna select line again and just draw a path. I'm just gonna draw a straight path. You can also do curved paths, but for this leg, I'm just going to stick with a straight path. Okay. So then go ahead and go to your perspective view. You can even maximize that view by pressing this maximize viewport toggle. Okay, so once we're here, go ahead and go to your modify icon and select this line. You can edit its length right now, but if you're happy with it, go back to your create panel, go to the circle icon, and make sure that compound objects is selected. So once you have this line selected, loft under object type will be highlighted, and you'll press that. Okay, and then the next thing you'll want to do is, after highlighting this path, selecting loft, under creation method, you'll want to get shape and get whatever shape you want to start off with first. So I'm going to start with the circle, and then you can go to path parameters and set a parameter to where you want that circle or cylinder shape to stop. I'm going to set it to 15, and this is in percentages. Okay, and then you'll just press get shape again, and then select the next shape you want. Okay, and then you can also set this, you can leave it here if you want, okay, or if you want it to be more ornate, you can go to path parameters and set that to a percentage. I'm going to set it to 60. Okay, then you can go to get shape again, and so I'm going to select the circle this time, and it creates this unique, ornate shape for the leg of the table, okay? So once you have that, if you're happy with it, you can go back to your 4 viewport layout. Go back to standard primitives and draw a box for your tabletop, or you can also draw a circle if you want it to be a round table. Let's do that one. Actually draw a, go under standard primitives and draw a cylinder, because that'll actually give it volume. Okay. So once you have the top of the table drawn, just maneuver it onto the leg. You can turn your snaps off at this point. Okay, so then you have this, I don't know, coffee table, side table. If you want to create a square or rectangular table with 4 legs, go to box under object type, draw your box, okay. You can move that up to be the same height as the table, which is true. Okay. Then we're gonna select the leg, and we're just gonna copy it over to this side. So I'm just gonna press Shift and move. I'm gonna, you can, if you want to change the material, I would make it into the copy, but if you want them all to stay the same, with the same material, you can create an instance. Okay, just move it around where you want it, and then just repeat that 3 more times. So Shift, move, and twice more. Shift, move, and once more. Shift, move, so I'm going to expand the perspective view again. So here you have your 2 different tables. You have your typical rectangular table with 4 legs, okay? And then you have your side table with the 1 leg in the middle. And that's how you create a lofted leg, or a lofted shape.